Hey everyone, check out the MZYRH MTB mountain bike pedals, featuring a dual-sided design for versatile riding options. One side works with clipless shoes using the included gasket, compatible with all SPD MTB pedal systems. The other side functions as a flat aluminum platform pedal, perfect for road, mountain, touring, and trekking bikes. Made from lightweight CNC aluminum alloy, these pedals offer high strength and long-lasting durability with a sturdy 9/16-inch screw thread. The sealed bearings ensure ultra-smooth rotation while protecting against water and dust to prevent rust and noise. Installation is simple with clearly marked left and right pedals, fitting most mountain and road bikes. Plus, MZYRH backs their product with a lifetime warranty to guarantee your satisfaction. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.